Leos. I'm going to do a weekend forecast reading for you. Happy Venus Day. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Thank you for all your likes, shares, subscribes, comments, energetic donations. This is a fairly new channel. So I've only been uploading for a little over a month. Now. So thank you for watching. So let's tap in. Leos. I lovingly call upon our ancestors, angels, spirit guides, and anything and everything divine and holy of the highest white light for our highest good. Please help me channel a weekend forecast for our Leos, or for whoever needs to hear it at this time. Bless this reading, bless these viewers, and bless this channel with your divine love, divine protection, and divine guidance. We thank you, divine spirit, with all the love and all the gratitude. Okay, let's get started. Weekend forecast for our Leos. Weekend forecast for our Leos. Forge, don't follow, pave a new path, be the leader you wish you had. Yeah. I like this already. Yep. Pave your own path. I do feel like Leos, you're going with the flow at the moment. That's okay. That's okay. If you're not sure about what path you need to forge, it'll come to you. Just don't start following anybody just because you're impatient. All right. Yeah. Confidence. There we go. I love that. You know, I wear round glasses, so even my sunglasses are round. Let's see what we have for the Leos weekend forecast. Yeah, I feel like you're trying to figure out what, you know, your path is. And I did just see get back to the basics card. So maybe that's something you need to think about doing. Just back to the basics. Whatever that means to you. I mean, target a goal-oriented person. Okay, so I like this. Definitely maybe make a list of goals, short-term goals, long-term goals, and steps add up to miles, you know. If you're like me and you get overwhelmed when you have so much to do and you don't know how to start, you just got to start little by little. It's years of behavioral therapy right there. Okay. Funnel. Period of frustration. Lessons to be learned here. All right. You might be coming to an end of a period of frustration. You know, I feel like you might need to take a little bit of time this weekend to acknowledge the lessons that you have learned. Kangaroo, unsettled times, need to plan ahead. Well, if this isn't just like complete opposite energy from what you had here. And then you have great good fortune on the bottom. So I feel like I'm picking up several different energies here. I will try to manage and keep it as general as possible here. Yeah. Sorry about that. So what is this target? What is this target? What is this goal-oriented person? Here, Well, that one just wanted to pop out, didn't it? 7 of Cups. Yeah, see, the 7 of Cups represents, you know, options, and many different things here, but with it being upside down and under this goal-oriented person, I definitely think that you're focused on one thing, like, you know, like you're focused on one thing, and this is good. This is good here. Page of Wands. You might be gathering all your resources right now. You might be tapping into some ingenuity, craftiness you might have going on. What is this reverse 7 of Cups here? What is this reverse 7 of Cups here? What is this reverse 7 of Cups, please? And thank you, Holy Spirit of the Most High, for our highest good, for Leo's highest good. What is this reverse 7 of Cups to this target? Knight of Swords. Okay, yeah, I feel like once you had figured out this option, this goal, you just went for it, or you're gonna go for it, or, you know, you're in this energy of just taking action, and that's okay. You know, action is good. Actually, with the moon cycle right now, it is a good time to take action on your goals. What is this reverse 7 of Cups and Page of Wands? What is this reverse 7 of Cups and Page of Wands? The reverse 9 of Wands. Okay, so maybe you're coming out of 9 of Wands energy, or you have figured out what your obstacles are. So now, look, the reverse 7 of Cups again. You might have figured out what your obstacles are, and you are taking action to jump over these obstacles here, you know. You might decide to put on a pair of stilts and just walk over these obstacles. You know, you're not letting any obstacles or anything come in the way of this goal. And I like to see this. Good for you, Leo. Good for you. Page of Cups. Yeah, this might have been something that you once thought impossible here. That you once thought impossible. I did see the reverse Queen of Wands on the bottom of the deck. Yeah, this person could have put something in your head that you might have thought was impossible here. And with this Queen of Swords on the bottom of the deck, I think you see right through that now. So you're definitely, you have a little bit more confidence, and you're taking action on your goals. What's this funnel? What's this funnel? What's this funnel? Okay, the reverse Star. Yeah, I feel like you're coming out of this healing period here. It was definitely frustrating healing whenever you are in a kind of lengthened healing period, or maybe even dark night of the soul. It's very, 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 very frustrating, right? The Sun, yeah, maybe you felt like you were in complete conflict the whole time. Oh my gosh, yes, okay. You might, with anything and everybody, but I think this is coming to an end here, okay? We will see. What's this reverse Star? Especially if you are jumping over hurdles like nobody's business now. Like, what is this reverse Star? 8 of Wands. Yes, there's definite movement here on from this period of frustration. you know, funnel. I think a tunnel. Maybe you had a tunnel vision for a little while on this frustration, but there's definite movement happening now. What's this reverse star and this reverse sun? The Hermit. Yeah, okay. I feel like now you need to take just maybe like an hour to kind of think back to the lessons that you've learned the past month, or maybe even lessons that you learned in the past week here. What's this reverse sun? The reverse Knight of Wands. Yeah, maybe you were kind of lacking in some passion, desire for something here. Yeah, maybe you just lack the passion to continue any conflict or even worry about it. What was this lesson learned here, Spirit? What was this lesson learned here? What was this lesson learned here? The reverse Queen of Pentacles. Okay, maybe you had some lack of clarity on a reverse Queen of Pentacles here. And whatever this means to you, you're definitely figuring it out and it's coming to light. It might make you angry. But whatever this means to you, please take some time to introspect on it, okay? What is this kangaroo? What is this kangaroo? What is this kangaroo? What is this unsettled times? Need to plan ahead. Something about devil energy here. Ugh. This could be coming up in the near future. Page of Swords. Yeah, I feel like you feel this coming. I feel that you're a very perceptive person, and whatever this is, you do feel it coming. Eight of Cups. Maybe you will decide to walk away from it because it's definitely a cycle that needs to be closed here. What is this Page of Swords? What is this Page of Swords? It's something that you see, that you're aware of, okay? It's not something that you're not aware of. Could have to do with the reverse Queen of Wands or a reverse Queen of Pentacles here. What's this Page of Swords? What's this Page of Swords? I feel like you're either walking away from this energy or this energy walked away from you. Okay, failed plans here. If you feel like something is going to fail, I feel like you see it coming. You see it coming, whatever you're planning. Something about the reverse Three of Cups, something that's not going to make you very happy. Yeah, look at this. The reverse Three of Cups, the reverse Six of Pentacles, and the reverse Six of Wands with the 10 of Wands on top of that. Whatever this is, it's not going to make you happy in the long run, and it's going to fail anyway. So definitely I feel like Spirit is saying here, walk away from this. Walk away from this. What's this Page of Swords? Eight of Cups. 10 of Pentacles here. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Okay. Oh man, it might be something you oppose. It might be something that you oppose, but you see something in it. Or you don't see something in it. I don't know. Clarify this Ten of Pentacles, King of Pentacles. Okay. This might be a person that you have your eye on here. I do feel like you feel some red flags, okay? You feel some red flags. It's making you indecisive here. Definitely pay attention to red flags, okay? Okay, Leos. This is not going to make you happy in the long run, okay? We already saw it. There's no victory to be had here. It might look like, you know, the Ten of Pentacles, King of Pentacles on the outside. Here. It's not something you completely agree with either. So, you know, if it's not going to make you happy, like, just walk away from it. All right? Walk away from it. Three of Swords. And that might break your heart. I mean, you probably see all these pentacles in it, but in the long run, you got to do things that's best for you, right? You got to do things that's best for you. Okay, I'm sure there's a Ten of Pentacles somewhere else. You have to think about this Ten of Cups. You have to think about your Ten of Cups first. Okay, the Ten of Pentacles will follow, but you need to be emotionally fulfilled here. Okay, to even maintain any kind of Ten of Pentacles. Oh, what do I need to close this out for our Leos? Page of Wands, reverse Page of Wands, reverse Eight of Swords, reverse Eight of Cups. There's things coming to light here that I feel like you're not going to want to walk away from this. You are not going to want to walk away from this. 888 on the board. This is awakening to a true potential here. Actually, there's 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. 9, 9. Okay, so what's lacking from this spread is the 1 and the 2. Four, 6. The 1, the 2, the 4, and the 6. Okay, so the 2, this is all about balance. There's no balance in this situation, whatever the situation might be. 4 is all about stability, roots, grounding. There's not any of that either. And with the 6, this is all about equal give and take. So if this is dealing with other people, you might be giving more than you're receiving in this situation. Definitely pay attention to red flags here, because the whole cycle is not on the board, okay? And it's missing some key parts that's very important in order to have any kind of emotional fulfillment, okay? So let's pull some. Yeah, I feel like you see this already because I got the Queen of Spades out here. I feel like you might see this already. Yeah, look at this. Sheep. Forge your own path. Don't follow. Don't follow. There's some scales here. There's a crow here. Alien. You might feel like you don't fit in very well. Okay, Cancer, Cancer. So you might have a Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, or a Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising in your 9th house of travel and spirituality, or your 7th house of partnerships. You're a definite warrior here, so I feel like you do know what's going on, okay? There's the King of Diamonds, also the King of Pentacles. Oh, looky here. Ace of Wands. There is something here where, I don't know, I feel like there's something that you need to, as soon as you figure out what's going on, as soon as you pay attention to the red flags, you're going to see the key that opens up this door that is going to pave a new path here. So have confidence in this, okay? This could be about jewelry. You might make jewelry. You might make jewelry. TP, you might do. I feel like this is traveling. You might do some traveling. Look, there's your key. Yeah, it still might be a question in your head right now. Definitely just keep going with the flow as you're doing and let your path unfold for you, okay? This is heritage, estate. This is your legacy. This is like 10 of Pentacles. Whatever you are looking at right now might not be your 10 of Pentacles. Or it might be your 10 of Pentacles, but it's something you think you don't want. I don't know. It could be either or here. All right. Just, yeah. Pay attention to any red flags, okay? Follow your intuition. Trust yourself, okay? Have confidence in your path. And I'm going to leave that here. Thank you for this message, Spirit. Thank all you Leos for watching, and I hope you have a glorious weekend.